basically it's just a really case of going around and sort of tarting up. You know how like can we do it? Can we get all this sort of, like you can see? Like,
Yeah,
it's just the silver and the
just bring back the shine. And
it's just bringing the shine. Same with the wheels and the bumpers and that sort of thing, and you know, just sort of and like get the insides clean, the carpets, all this dashboard tidied up, and the whole. That's basically about it, really.
Thought it'd be quite a funny little bit of video footage, really. We've got little and large. The headlights on that are nearly as big as the bonnet on that, if you look carefully. Funny enough, the number plate on that is bigger than the number plate on that, and everything else is completely bonkers. And behind it, look, is our little courtesy car, which is the smallest four-seater car in the world, and we have two of those. What a lovely little old thing that is. Right, these are the amount of dents on just the boot alone, which is why it's going to take him 2 days. Then you've got a lot of dents down here, like these ones. Some of these might be able to tidy up. You've got one on the top of the wing, and then you've got one that's pretty ugly on the bonnet. What a lovely looking car. The grille's cleaned up, the chrome's cleaned up, the wheels are cleaned up, and it's gone a bit glossy. Customer's happy for me to film this, got a good photograph of him. And he started it up and sounds a bit chirpy at the moment, a bit, I don't know what the right word is, a little bit like it's over choked, but once he revs it up it sounds wonderful. He's had the engine rebuilt by somebody who used to work in the MG factory. Love stories like that.